Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook this grilled squid with fruit jam in Heartopia. So, in this Call of Whales event, you can cook any new special food for this event. And then one of them is this grilled squid with fruit jam. And to cook it, it's very easy. First, you just need to go to your Tidal Stove. First, you need to craft this stove because this stove is special stove that you can use to cook this special food. And if you don't know how to craft this stove, you can just check my tutorial in the Heartopia playlist. And then after that, just tap on the stove and then just use the original recipe, this grilled squid with fruit jam. You can get this recipe from NPC Massimo. And then next in here, you just need Japanese flying squid, and then seagrapes and wakame that you can that you can collect it from the Whalefall Canyon map. And then in here you need the fruit jam. You can use any fruit jam that you have like this, and then after all the ingredients are complete, you can just tap start cooking. And okay, just like that, you will successfully cook this grilled squid with fruit jam. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.